Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 81st program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is step, minimum and maximum attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, body, form tag. Now we'll use score attribute. Input type equals to number, name equals to points, step equals to 10, minimum equals to 10, and maximum equals to 100. Input type equals to submit, name equals to submit. Now we'll end form tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it as an extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 81st program. So this is the basic output. If we click on your score, it will increase. If we click on increase button, 30, 40, 50 and up to 100. And if we click on decrease button, it will decrease the value, and if we click on submit, it will reset. So this is the basic output of 81st program, and don't forget to check the tags in description for clear understanding.